Good morning, students. Welcome to today's morning prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes, and start the prayer. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता.
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. अंधेरे तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे, हर बुराई से बचते रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे. बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले के होना. हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना.
Now let's begin today's English song.
Let there be love shared among us. Let there be love in our hearts. We know your love, sweet this nation, causes a lot to arise. Give us a fresh understanding of brotherly love that is real. Let there be love. Let there be joy shared among us. Let there be joy in our hearts. We know your joy, sweet this nation, causes a lot to arise. Give us a fresh understanding of brotherly joy that is real. Let there be joy. Let there be peace shared among us. Let there be peace in our hearts. We know your peace with this nation, causes a lot to arise. Give us a fresh understanding of brotherly peace that is real. Let there be peace. Let there be peace.
Your life is forever ruined. One thoughtless remark pointed in your direction doesn't mean you are under attack. Things go wrong and people make mistakes. Get used to it, get over it, and be kind to yourself by getting on with your. This time, I'm seeing that the students of class 10th and 12th, those who have not come to their expectation, they are thinking that their life is end and they don't have anything to do further. No, you are wrong. Your life is endless. If you can correct what has gone wrong and work to make sure it doesn't happen again. But don't let a momentary injury or affront disrupt your life for the next 5 hours, 5 months, or 5 years. This is a story of a boy who was studying in DPS and he was not good in his academics. Anyhow, he cleared his class 12th with an average marks, and his parents used to blame him, scold him, even teachers also do the same. But after some time, when that boy became the ornaments designer and he designed jewelry for Tanishq, and when Deepika Padukone wore his jewelry, he became famous, and now he is earning more than enough. Not earning, he has fame, he has everything. So it does not mean that your life depends on only academics, it depends on the passion. So whatever you do by your choice, not by chance. If you'll follow this, definitely you will achieve whatever you want. You have the power to choose the direction of your focus. You have the ability to find the good in each moment, in every occurrence, and move forward with it. See the opportunities for gratitude, forgiveness, determination, and positive action. Experience the depth of your strength while using that strength to lift your life to higher level. Thank you, students. Take care of yourself, your parents. Have a nice day ahead. Pick me up, pick me up. The students looked at him as he lay in the ditch. We can't, Guruji, they said sadly. No, Guruji, we know, we are very much obedient. We know you are testing us. Your name is not on this list. He begged them to pull him out, but they would not listen. We know you are testing us, Guruji. We know that you are testing, they told him. But you can be sure that we'll never disobey you. You told us not to pick up anything that was not on your list and will not do so. Give me the list, yelled Guru Gampar. They threw him the list and a pen, and the Guru quickly wrote his name on it. Then, and only then, did the obedient students pull their beloved Guru out of the ditch and put him back into the cart. So, this was the story about the obedient student. See, obedience is good, but it must be done wisely. We be wise, not foolish. Thank you, students. Have a nice day ahead.
Many congratulations to all the students for clearing class 10th with flying colors. My hearty wishes are with those students also who have not come to their expectations. Learn from your mistakes and move ahead. Definitely you will rock. Dear students, I'm very much delighted this year to announce the result of class 10th board examination, in which our students have brought laurels not only for our school but also for our Jabalpur city. Here are the names of our shining Gurukulayans. Kalash Asati got 98% and second rank in city. Rishi Rathore got 96.3% and 100 on 100 in maths. Sheikh Samir 92%, Paras Jain 91%, Pramod Patel 90% and Aship Paprolia 90.6%. This shows that east or west, Gurukulians are the best. Thank you, students, and we wish you all to have a bright future. Love you all. God bless you.